Did you know that this tiny green microalga is dominating the global superfood industry? Around 3,000 tons of spirulina are produced each year to meet the growing demand of the market. With advanced cultivation technology and closed-loop production processes, spirulina is not only a nutritious food source, but also a $651 million a year industry. China accounts for up to 70% of global production exporting to continents across the world, from premium spirulina protein in energy-boosting drinks to groundbreaking products in medicine and dietary supplements. This algae is gradually becoming the key to the 21st century nutrition revolution. So how do countries produce thousands of tons of spirulina in this industry? Join us as we explore the spirulina production process, from cultivation to the most popular superfood strictly controlled cultivation environment. Spirulina is typically cultivated in two types of systems: open ponds and closed photobioreactor systems. Open ponds are shallow artificial ponds where spirulina is cultivated under strictly controlled conditions of temperature, pH, and nutrient concentration. A photobioreactor is a closed system that protects spirulina from external contaminants while allowing precise control of light temperature and nutrients. This system often uses specialized LED lights to provide the ideal light for the photosynthesis process. Inoculation and growth. The process begins by inoculating the spirulina culture, containing a high-quality strain, into the cultivation medium. Under ideal conditions, the spirulina cells rapidly multiply through photosynthesis, absorbing CO2, sunlight, and nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and trace minerals. When the spirulina density is high enough, indicated by the water turning dark green or blue-green, the spirulina is ready to be harvested. 3. Harvesting the spirulina biomass. In open ponds, spirulina is separated from the water using filters or centrifuges. In closed systems, the filtration and centrifugation processes are carried out directly within the tank. After harvesting, the spirulina biomass is concentrated into a thick slurry, preparing for the dewatering process. For dewatering, the critical stage. The spirulina slurry is spread over a special filter cloth where water gradually passes through the small holes while the spirulina is retained. The worker uses a flat spatula to scrape and gently press the mixture, allowing more spirulina to flow in and water to continue being separated. This process is repeated several times until the spirulina becomes thick and concentrated. 5. Complete dehydration. There are two main methods. Spreading on large tables with a wide surface area, water evaporates quickly, helping the spirulina dry evenly. High-pressure pressing. The spirulina is placed in special cloth bags, then compressed strongly to force the water out. The result is a solid, brittle spirulina mass, though a small amount of moisture remains inside. 6. Shaping and drying. The spirulina mass is broken into smaller pieces and fed into a device that presses it into long, noodle-like strands, increasing the surface area to aid the drying process. The spirulina noodles are then spread evenly on trays and placed into a modern drying system with strictly controlled temperatures. By the end of the process, we have completely dried spirulina, retaining its nutritional content and natural color. 7. The final product, or green superfood. The final product is dry spirulina strands rich in antioxidants and minerals. The spirulina can be broken down manually and packaged in granule form. Alternatively, it can be pressed into tablets by machine for easier consumption. Today, as the trend for healthy eating spreads, spirulina has become a popular choice for millions of people. And with over 3,000 tons produced annually, the spirulina industry is thriving more than ever. If you want to explore more about the advanced production lines and how these factories operate, don't forget to follow our next videos.